Students, now we will solve some questions of our exercise 7.2 that is based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Students, you know that sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta and tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta and cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta and cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta. These are trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So, our first question is we have to find the value of cos 37 degree upon sin 53 degree. Since 37 and 53 degree, these are two complementary angles of each other. So, cos 37 degree upon sin 53 degree. So first let's see, cos 37 degree is equals to cos 90 minus 53 degree. Is this equals to cos 37 degree? 90 minus 53 is equals to 37. So cos 37 equals to cos 90 minus 53 and denominator is sin 53 degree. Okay, cos 37 equals to cos 90 minus 53 and sin 53 degree. Now this is equals to cos 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta and in this theta is equals to 53 degree, then cos 90 minus 53 degree is equals to sin 53 degree. Okay, and denominator is sin 53 degree. So sin 53 degree upon sin 53 degree, that is equals to 1. Okay students, now next question is question number 2. Its fourth part. Sin, we have to find the value of sin theta cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta sin 90 minus theta. Sin theta cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta sin 90 minus theta. You have to find value of this. So sin theta is sin theta and cos 90 minus theta, that is equals to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta plus cos theta and sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Okay, so sin theta into sin theta is equals to whole square of sin theta and cos theta into cos theta, that is equals to whole square of cos theta. Whole square of sin theta is equals to sin square theta plus whole square of cos theta is equals to cos square theta. Students, remember our first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1. So value of sin theta into cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta into sin 90 minus theta is 1. Okay students, now question number 4. Its first part. You have to find value of sin 35 whole square of sin 35 degree upon cos 55 degree plus cos 55 degree upon sin 35 degree, its whole square minus 2 cos 60 degree. Students, firstly let's see cos 60 degree. Value of cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 by trigonometric table. Now sin 35 and 55, these are complementary angles and these two angles are also complementary angles. So sin 35 can be written as sin 90 minus 55 degree. This is equals to sin 90 minus 55 is equals to 35. So sin 35 is equals to sin 90 minus 55 and denominator is cos 55 degree and its whole square. Now next, cos 55 can be written as cos 90 minus 35 degree. This 90 degree minus 35 degree, this is equals to 55 degree. So cos 55 degree is equals to cos 90 minus 35 degree upon sin 35 degree and its whole square minus 2 into cos 60 degree. So 2 into cos 60 degree is equals to 1 by 2. Now sin 90 minus theta, that is equals to cos theta. So here theta is 55 degree. So cos 55 degree and denominator is cos 55 degree and its whole square plus cos 90 minus theta, that is equals to sin theta, and here theta is 35 degree. Then cos 90 minus 35 degree is equals to sin 35 degree upon sin 35 degree and its whole square, and 2 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1. Cos 55 degree upon cos 55 degree 1, square of 1 plus sin 35 upon sin 35 is equals to 1 and its square minus 1. That is minus 1. So square of 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Okay students? Now question number 5 is second part. We have to find value of tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, tan into tan 65 degree into tan 85 degree. So tan 5 degree and tan 5 degree and tan 85 degree. 5 degree and 85 degree are complementary angles. So we will write them together. Tan 5 degree into tan 85 degree. Now tan 25 degree and complementary angle of 25 is 65. So we will write them together. Tan 65 degree. Tan 30 degree into tan 30 degree means whole square of tan 30 degree. And students, you know that value of tan 30 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3. We know its value by our trigonometric table. So tan 5 degree, tan 85 degree. 5 degree and 85 degree, these are complementary angles. So tan 5 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 85 degree. Okay, tan 90 degree minus 85 degree, that is equals to tan 5 degree, and tan 85 degree will remain same. Now tan 25 degree and 65 degree, these are complementary angles. So can I write tan 25 degree as tan 90 degree minus 65 degree. 90 minus 65 is equals to 25, and tan 65 degree, and tan whole square of tan 30, whole square of root 3. Okay, tan 90 minus theta, that is equals to cot theta, and here theta is 85 degree into tan 85 degree. Tan 90 minus 65, it means that is equals to cot 65 degree. Tan 65 degree. Whole square of root 3, 1 upon root 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay. Now cot 85 degree can be written as 1 upon tan 85 degree into tan 85 degree into cot 65 degree, that is equals to 1 upon tan 65 degree into tan 65 degree into 1 upon 3. Now tan 85 is cancelled by tan 85, tan 65 is cancelled by tan 65, that is equals to 1 upon 3. So value of tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree into tan 30 into tan 30 into tan 65 degree into tan 85 degree is equals to 1 upon 3. Now question number 10. We have to prove that sin 90 minus theta into cos 90 minus theta, that is equals to tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So firstly, left hand side is sin 90 degree minus theta into cos 90 degree minus theta. Students, sin 90 minus theta, that is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta, that is equals to sin theta. So our left hand side is cos theta into sin theta. Now we will solve our right hand side. Right hand side is tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. We have to change tan into sin cos terms. So tan theta, students remember our trigonometric identities. 1 plus tan square theta, that is equals to sec square theta. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Now this is equals to tan theta upon sec square theta. So tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. This is value of tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta, and sec square theta, that is equals to 1 upon cos square theta. Sin theta upon cos theta divided by 1 upon cos square theta. Now this is equals to sin theta upon cos theta into cos square theta upon 1. That is equals to sin theta into cos square theta upon cos theta into 1. So this is cos square theta and this is cos theta. So we will get sin theta into cos theta, and this is our left hand side. It means left hand side is equals to right hand side. So hence proved that sin 90 degree minus theta into cos 90 degree minus theta is equals to tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now question number 15. If sin 3 theta is equals to cos theta minus 6 degree, where 3 theta and theta minus 6 degree are acute angles, then find the value of theta. Students, in this question this is given that sin 3 theta is equals to cos theta minus 6 degree, and we have to find value of theta. Then what is the value of theta? Sin 3 theta is equals to cos 90 minus 3. Cos theta minus 6 degree. Students, you know that sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, and sin 3 theta is equals to cos 90 minus 3 theta. Because sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, and sin 3 theta is equals to cos 90 minus 3 theta, and left hand side, right hand side is cos theta minus 60 degree. Now cos 90 minus 3 theta is equals to cos theta minus 6 degree. It means 90 degree minus 3 theta is equals to theta minus 6 degree. 90 degree plus 6 degree is equals to theta plus 3 theta. I am doing transposition of 6 from right hand side to left hand side, and minus 3 transposition of minus 3 theta from left hand side to right hand side. So 90 plus 6, that is equals to 96 degree equals to 4 theta. It means 4 theta is equals to 96 degree, then theta is equals to 96 degree upon 4, and that is equals to 24 degree. Okay students, so value of theta is 24 degree. Sin 3 theta is given cos theta minus 6 degree. Sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. It means sin 3 theta is equals to cos 90 minus 3 theta, and that is equals to cos theta minus 6 degree. It means 90 minus 3 theta is equals to theta minus 6 degree. Then theta is equals to 24 degree. Now question number 17. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, A, B and C are 3 interior angles of a triangle ABC, then we have to prove that tan B plus C upon 2 is equals to cot A upon 2. Students, A, B and C, these are 3 interior angles of a triangle. It means their sum will be equals to 180 degree, because this is sum of interior angles of a triangle. Okay, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. A, B and C are 3 interior angles of a triangle. It means B plus C is equals to 180 degree minus A. If A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree, then B plus C is equals to 180 degree minus A. Now I am dividing this equation by 2. B plus C upon 2 is equals to 180 degree minus A upon 2. B plus C upon 2 equals 180 degree upon 2 minus a upon 2 and b plus c upon 2 that is equals to 180 degree upon 2 is equals to 90 minus a by 2. So this is equation we get by taking tangent of this equation. By taking tangent, because we have to prove that tan b plus c upon 2 means b plus c upon 2, we have to take tangent of this. Tan b plus c upon 2 is equals to tan 90 degree minus a upon 2. So tan b plus c upon 2. Tan 90 minus a by 2. Tan 90 minus theta that is equals to cot theta. So tan 90 minus a by 2 that is equals to cot a by 2. So students, these are questions of your exercise 7.2. Now you have to do your exercise 7.1 and 7.2, and if you face any problem in any question then you can ask me.